Good morning, Tulsa. Larry Walker here from the Tulsa Insurance Group right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma at the Farm Shopping Center, 51st and Sheridan. I wanted to take a moment and just give you a quick video, talk to you about a subject that I had a phone conversation with the customer about just this morning and felt like it would be beneficial for you to know and something for you to think about. The customer called me about some changes to their policies, and I mentioned to them about life insurance, and I noticed they didn't have any with us. Just wanted to kind of open the conversation with them a little bit, and their comment to me was, I don't need life insurance, I have life insurance at work. And that's the question that, or the comment that I want to deal with a little bit this morning. I kind of tell you what I told them. And it's great having life insurance at work. Absolutely awesome. You need life insurance at work. Number one, it's very inexpensive. Number two, they don't do a lot of underwriting. But there are some pitfalls to it. And I have those pitfalls written right here, and I want to kind of go over them with you real quickly this morning and why you need to consider, whoever your agent is, doesn't have to be me that you call, but whoever your agent is, you need to talk to them about your life insurance. And here's the reason why. There's 3 reasons why you need a private policy in addition to anything you have at work. The first reason is because you could develop a health condition that would prohibit you from getting life insurance in the future if you were to leave your current job. So you want to make sure that you lock in that rate. It's never going to be as cheap as it is right now at the age you are. Every year you get older, it's going to go up. So you want to lock that rate in now and try to get the best rates you can get with the best health condition that you have, and lock that in so that you don't have issues in the future when you decide you do need a private life insurance policy, or that you should have bought a private life insurance policy because you don't have the work one anymore. You're not in a position where you don't qualify because of a health condition. The second thing is you can't always take that work policy with you. Now, there are a few exceptions of people that I've known that their company said, hey, yeah, when you retire, part of your retirement is going to be that you get to take this life insurance policy. We're going to provide that as a benefit for you. But that very rarely happens because, as you know, and I know, in the society we live in, companies are trying to cut corners and save every dollar they can, and that's just extra expense on them if they provide that for you. So many of them have gone away from that. Another thing is, if you quit that job and move to a new job, you can't always keep that life insurance policy. As a matter of fact, I would say 99% of the time you're not going to be able to keep that life insurance policy if you move to another job. You lose that benefit. And in addition to that, there are many companies now who are requiring underwriting of group life insurance, so that even if you do go to a new employer as an employee, and you decide you want to get the group life plan through work, if you've got a health condition, sometimes they're not going to be able to write you, or they're going to rate you up quite a bit. So you can't always take it with you. The third thing is it's not convertible. The majority of the life insurance policies that you have through work are term policies. Now, term policies aren't necessarily bad, especially if you want to save money and get the most inexpensive one that you can get. However, you can't convert them to a permanent plan. If you have your own private term policy, you can convert that to a term plan in the future. That's without proving any insurance eligibility. So if you do develop a health condition and you want to convert it, then the company is going to convert it, because to them the premium dollars are all that's going to change. To them, the face amount is going to be the same, and you're going to convert it to a permanent plan which has a savings account attached to it. So that is an opportunity that you have with a private plan that you don't have with a term plan and a company plan. I've got more information about this. I don't want to spend a lot of time. A lot of people don't like to talk about dying, and I understand that. Fact is, life insurance is the only insurance policy that we know for sure. If you keep that policy, somebody is going to collect on it, because we're not any of us getting out of here alive. Sorry about my phone going off during that. Also, give me a call, 918, right there's my phone number, 918-298-0000, 918-298, all zeros. Call me if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them. You don't even have to be my customer. I'm not going to pressure you to buy anything from me, but I'll be glad to help you in any way that I can. You need to get private insurance if you don't have it, and you need to keep it till the day you, unfortunately, have to have your family use it. God bless. Have a good week. Talk to you later, Tulsa.